अन्य मंत्री जी।
Thank you very much, Chairman sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to inform the August House why there was a need to bring this bill, which is the Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak. And this obviously originates from the Aircraft Act, which has been established during the British time in 1934. And lot of amendments have been made in the Act over numerous occasions, sir. At least to the tune of 21 amendments have been made. And while the amendments have been made, they have been plugged into the original Act in bits and pieces. So because of which there was a lot of confusion in the Act, there was a lot of grey area, there was a lot of redundancy which has originated, and also whatever civil aviation guidelines, rules, protocols that we follow in this country, it is, I'll just explain to the August House that why I'm bringing the bill first, and then I'll come to your point also, sir. So this is because of the ICAO, whatever guidelines and procedures it suggests, we follow them so that it is, we are recognized globally to be an important signatory of the ICAO, sir. And according to that, we have brought a new principal act, which whatever confusion was there earlier, whatever redundancy was there, we have totally kept it outside, and we have brought a consolidated principal act which is going to address all the concerns or the recommendations which ICAO has recommended us. And coming to the point where the Honorable MP Premchandran ji has raised, sir, regarding the 348(1)(b) or the 120 and 343, sir, all these points have been extensively discussed during the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, and Jan Vishwas, and then Binami property. There was discussed. We have properly. I don't see any reason. We are not violating any constitutional provision by mentioning the name of the act as Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak. What is the problem? What is the problem with it? There is no problem at all, sir. We are trying to भारत की एक नई पहचान हम बनाना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए हमने भारतीय वायुयान विधेयक रखा है, तो इसके लिए किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए, सर. It is just to create our own identity we are keeping, considering the constitutional provision, considering the constitutional provision, sir. All that text is in English only. There shouldn't be any problem, sir. I request the whole house to provide the permission to introduce the bill.
कि विधायक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए. जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहे.